everyone. Today on Hello Susan, I'm going to do the final flip through of our altered file folder featuring my Floral LEDGER digital kit. So I think it turned out just spectacular. I hope you agree. Let's see, I've shown some of this on others, but let's go ahead and take it step by step. First of all, can you see the butterfly? Remember in the very first video when I was showing the papers and I showed I made this butterfly? Well, I glued that on to the altered file folder. And let me go ahead and open the front doors, so to speak. And you can see the inside of the file folder. Can you see the dangles? Aren't they cute? Just add a special charm. All of this is fussy cut. This is all collaged on the back. This is a pocket right here. I have not included anything there. So the way I glued this butterfly on was inside this pocket. Now when I first showed you, here, let me take the journal out because I think that's going to make more sense. Okay, so I'm going to take the journal out and I'll set it over here, so you can see that I glued that on the inside of the file folder. And something else that I had to do was I was making the journal, and when I tried to see if it fit, because I knew I had to keep it not so full, it was a little bit tight, and one of the side seams that I glued kind of gave way. So I thought, okay, so I took another file folder completely, and I cut off the top of it like this on both sides so that it would match with this same height, and I put it inside what I showed you already, which is this part right here, and the back, which is this part. So see how you can see it poking out here and poking out here, and I went ahead and just stenciled it so that it had some decoration, put some lace on it, and stenciled the front part too, and then the back part of the original part of the file folder, I stenciled it too, so it all worked together. So you can see that little butterfly just sits right there, so nice. Okay, let me show you, just in case you didn't see my other videos where we made this little mini folio on the back. It's an altered envelope is what we started with as the base. So it opens up. Isn't that pretty? And then you can journal right here. And then it's got a tag right here that you can journal on the back of that. And then you open it up one more time and you've got 3 tags here and a pocket. And then you close it, and then that fits right here in this pocket. So it just gives you a little bit more space, but it also makes the back of the altered file folder so gorgeous, don't you think? And this is an envelope. I did put lace here. I have not put anything in there, so I'm not going to go ahead and open that up. Okay, well, let me move this out of the way, and I'll get the journal, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I got the tassel in position. I had it on the front of the altered file folder because it is interchangeable. You can move it around. But this is the cover. It is actually the collage kit that we used. And all I did was add a girl right here. Everything else comes within the collage. Added this trim that's got a little bit of leaf pattern. And that's the back of the collage. It was a little bit short, so I had to add some blue paper here, added some lace and trim, and this is a soft cover. It's got 92 pages front and back. Since it didn't fit in the file folder, the first one, I decided, okay, I can add more stuff now since I enlarged it. All right, so this is what it looks like from the side, top and bottom. Let's go ahead and get inside it so we can see what it looks like. So I didn't put anything in the front or the back since we have the file folder that's got lots of things. Here's a little dangle right here in the front. This is a copy of a vintage wallpaper. Lots of pretty trims. It's got lots of blue in this book. I love this net trim right here. Here's a pocket with a pretty girl. It says enjoy the little things. Lots of place for you to write in this one. I did not over decorate. And here's a fold out. Isn't that pretty? This is part of the pillow sham that we used in the Barn Swallows cover. I had a little piece left, and so it fit right there, and I thought that looked really good. And here's a belly band of lace with 2 journal cards. There's a cluster with some lace and net behind it. Music sheet. I love a little cottage. I think my style is cottage style. It's kind of shabby, kind of foo-foo, kind of country. To me, that's cottage. And here's an envelope that I didn't glue. You just open it up so you can write in it. Sari silk right there. Lace here. This flips up so you have a secret space to write. So it's got all colors of flowers in here. Pink, red, blue, purple, yellow. I really like these 2 images, and then I found this hand that's part of the kit, and I thought, oh, that goes so well with those images. Here's a pocket with a couple of tags in it. Some more sari silk. Aren't those birds cute? And then here's that strip that comes with the kit that's got all the months in it. There's some more sari silk. Now you always walk in sunshine. See how there's so much space for you to write? And also, because I didn't over decorate, you can add your own special touches so that the journal becomes more you. I just love this kit with all the ledgers and the backgrounds. There's a ticket and here's a tassel. It's a paperclip tassel. I do have a video how to make those. Just clips to the side of your page and just dangles right here. There's a pocket with a big old butterfly as a tag. Dream big. And that's the center of the journal. I love this. And that's some sari silk, and this is all fussy cut. It's the same girl from the front of the book. A pocket with a couple of tags. There's some of that trim that's got polka dots fleece on it. Here's a charm with a bird nest. Did little touches of gingham. Didn't want to do too much. And then here's another envelope that you can fold out and write on the inside. And that's part of that vintage wallpaper copy. I guess that is just one page. Here's a part of a calendar that I straddled the page so that it could be a tuck spot for this side and for this side. So I thought that was pretty fun. And this is an envelope, so you can write on the inside. I did not actually glue it, but if you choose, you can glue it shut so you can hold some more things in there. Isn't it pretty? And then here's some sari silk tied to the edge of the page, and then it's got a collage piece on top. A pocket with a couple of tags. I've been straddling the pages with butterflies, and in this one, since we had so many birds, I decided, well, why not straddle the page with birds too? It kind of decorates both pages at one time, and since I was trying to keep down on the decorations in this book, I think it's pretty good solution. This is all fussy cut, and that's sari silk. Work hard, make it happen. You can write in here. You also could write around here. It's light enough for you to do that, and then write in through here. There's a bunch of tags in that pocket. This is an iron-on patch. Of course, I glued it on. Here's another dangle. And a cluster with lace and netting. Use your wings. This is an envelope right here. And it's to where you can open it up and write on the inside. It was the collage part of the kit. And since I used that other one as the center, I didn't really want to mess it all up, so I just decided to put it there. And look how this matches this. I thought that was pretty fun. Push your boundaries. Okay, and that is the end of the journal. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you haven't subscribed, please think about it. I'd like to grow my channel and have more subscribers. All right, well, that's it for me today. See you next time. Bye-bye.